Hi, I'm Fabio. Today I'm going to show you the second part of the security license features for Osiris, our diagnostic platform for industrial network. This is an additional license that will help you get the first line of defense for your network using IT security principles on OT network security. This license will help you prevent and detect possible dangers coming from bad actors, whether they are intentional or unintentional, external or internal. In this video, we will focus on a series of scans that are available with these features: the Netmask check scan, the SNMP Write Access scan, the pod scan, and the communication baseline scan. Now, the Netmask check is invisible here because it runs in background, and what it does is constantly check that all devices have a proper netmask, as if it is too wide, there is a risk that these devices can be approached by the other devices outside of the scan range, and this could be a risk. So in that case, you will get a notification. Additionally, we have the SNMP Write Access scan that scans for devices that have SNMP Write Access enabled, as SNMP can allow changes in devices setting showing name, MAC, SNMP version, and write community strings. We also have a port scan that will show you a list of all your devices connected in the network with all the ports open, so you can determine if they need to stay open or if you want to close them. Lastly, we also have the communication baseline scan that will make sure that your devices don't deviate from the original communication baseline. Additionally, for the portable solution, the Mercury, we also have the password scan that will show you a list of all your devices and identify which one of them are using the factory default password, which could be a possible breach in your security. That's all for the moment. Please make sure to check out all the other videos of our features, and if you have any question, write to us at info@procentec.com. See you next time.